If you want to disable Google Feed page on the home screen on OnePlus 15R, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option that allows you to simply deactivate the Google Feed on the home screen, just like you can do so on some other smartphones, on other Androids. What you can do is you can tap on this Google profile icon in the upper right corner, and then you can open settings. Next, in settings, go to other settings, and then in here we can find the Discover, which we can deactivate. So now if you go back to the Google Feed page, as you can see, there is no news anymore, but the page itself still exists. There is a little workaround, and you can deactivate this page, but it is inconvenient to do so. So if we open settings and choose apps over here, then we're gonna go to app management. We can find Google app in here, and then we can disable it. There we go. Of course, we need to enter screen lock password to confirm. And if you deactivate the Google app, as you can see, the Google Feed page is gone. However, as a drawback, you have no access to certain Google features such as the circle to search or Gemini. You can still re-enable the app, and then the page will most likely still not be there. As you can see, it's still gone. But it's gonna come back once you, for example, reboot your phone, or maybe even after some time. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.